Hey everybody, I'm live here from Health and Balance. It's our big day, our Community Appreciation Day, which we do about 3 times a year. It's so much fun. We do free treatment all day. We raise money for local charities, and we just give back to the community, allow everybody to come in for free treatment and care. And we're doing therapy massage, we're doing chiropractic adjustments, health consultations. It's just a big health party. It's so fun. So let's just give you a little tour of what's going on here. Inside we got Madison. She's the best. She's welcoming everybody and doing her thing. She's so awesome. This is where you'll come in and start. We do health consultations. Got the rooms going back there. Everybody's getting treatment, getting advice from the doctors, getting their one-on-ones. It's so fun. We're about 2 hours into the event. It goes until 6 tonight. So if you want to join us, there's still space. Come on by. This is where you'll check in. This is our little check-in spot here. There's Mitchell. He's checking everybody in. So you'll just, it's such a nice day. We're stoked on the weather. We're like, boom. It's a good day to have a health party. So, like I said, you'll come check in. New guests are welcome. Patients are welcome. Everybody's welcome. It's just a day to give back to the community. We feel so blessed to be in the position that we're in, working here in Laguna for over 30 years that we've been here. And so we're just thankful, and we want to express that gratitude by giving away some free care. So you'll start up at the top, then we go down here to our therapy suite, and this is where everyone's getting free therapy, massage, and doing the active wall where you can do a bunch of really good different modalities for yourself. So this is the team down here. I'm just going to give a little sneak preview of what we're doing. Everybody's getting some care. It's amazing. So fun here at Health and Balance. So that's the deal. So come join us. We'll be going till 6 tonight. Like I said, we have spots open. It's first come, first serve. Come get some care. We're doing an amazing raffle. Thankful for our partners. We have The Well, Roots Beauty, Project Juice, a lot of amazing, Rhythm Ride, amazing partners that donated to our raffle and then to our goodie bag as well. Yoga Works, a bunch of fun stuff that we're giving away in the goodie bag. So it's just a great time, and we'd love to have you join us. See you here. We'll be here till 6, and hope to see you. Bye.